Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to remove all your friends on Roblox at once. First, open your web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome for this example. Head over to Roblox. Come and log into your account with your username and password. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon and then go to the Friends section. Now, normally you'd have to visit each friend's profile and click Unfriend one at a time, which can take forever if you have hundreds of friends. But don't worry, there's a much faster way using a browser extension. Open a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. Click the link to open the store and in the search bar type Roblox Friend Removal button. When you find the extension, click Add to Chrome and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Now, go back to your Roblox account and refresh the page. After refreshing, you'll see a new button appear on your Friends page. That's the extension you just installed. Click that new button and the extension will start removing your friends automatically one by one, no manual clicks needed. And that's it. This is the fastest way to delete all your friends on Roblox in 2025. Like the video and subscribe for more Roblox content. Press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.